Hello students, I am Dr. Shailja Sharma, Assistant Professor from IITTM Noida, your instructor for this module. Welcome back to the course on Destination Management. We bring this course to you as a part of e-Pathshala initiative of the Ministry of Human Resource Development, Government of India to make postgraduate education accessible to all. Destination e-Business and Information Management. Introduction. The world order of commerce is fast changing due to an increased application of electronic platforms. Today, almost half of the world population is using internet, 47% internet users globally. This has boosted e-business as these internet users and also buying and selling electronically. In almost all major markets of travel and tourism, one can see the application of internet. An increase in internet usage has a retrospective impact on e-commerce globally. It is interesting to note that around 22.1 trillion was the value of e-commerce for 2016. The relative impact of it will have on travel industry as well. The ETOA, European Tourism Association, 2014 report global online travel sales accounted for US dollar 590 billion, which signals at a positive growth. World travel and tourism is growing at a fast pace. International arrivals for 2016 were at 1235 million globally, show how fast that global population is inclined to travel. This necessitates us to emphasize on equipping tourist destinations to address the e-needs of industry. Tourist destinations in the current market scenario cannot keep away from adapting to the e-business trends. They need to design and apply suitable models of e-business to facilitate the visitors. Besides, enormous information management destinations must look the changing trends as opportunities to compete in the market. Destination management organizations, DMOs, should integrate the entire management using destination management systems, DMS, so as to set in place the mechanism of ease of doing business. After studying this module, learners will be able to understand the concept of destination e-business, destination information management, analyze the destination management system, appreciate the advantages of e-business for tourist destinations, identify various ways of information management for destinations, and associate changing trends in new information access systems with the tourist destinations. Understanding e-business. E-business or electronic business is the future. Doing business electronically using various electronic media and platforms is the basic functional approach of e-business. To understand e-business in its entirety, we must first define the concept of e-business and know the internal and external dimensions of it. Subsequently, we will analyze the advantages of e-business, followed by knowing more about a tourist destination e-business. Concept of e-business. Electronic interactions between consumers and businesses explain what e-business is all about. These electronic interactions are done using new technological applications such as World Wide Web, interactive televisions, e-payment gateways, mobile phones, etc. The interactions may lead to either an offline purchase or an online transaction leading to purchase of goods and services of their choice. E-business is about realizing the ever-expanding opportunity of electronic connectivity both externally through internet and internally through intranets. It involves use of a variety of tools to obtain, manage, search, analyze, publish and communicate the various types of information. The concept of e-business has been defined as a business which uses information technology infrastructure to increase business efficiency and provide a basis for new products and services. As said by Kirivatis in the year 2001, information, products and services purchasing and selling through computer networks, as also said by Calcutta Winston in 1996 and Cornus XU in 2005. And e-business is the application of digital technology, particularly internet technologies, to improve organizations' competitiveness through continuous optimization. As said by Sheffi 2015, Turbin and others in 2012, and Strauss and Frost in the year 2014. Internal and external dimensions. E-business dimensions of an organization of internal and external. These dimensions determine the transformation of the entire functioning of the organization equipped to handle business electronically. Internal dimensions refer to the use of those common systems which enable an organization to function in a fully integrated internal environment. This transformation can be established through a network of systems for internal and external communication, work on common set of tools, protocols and standards, sharing of consumer and product data as a common resource, and enhancing the skills of staff to operate in teams so as to maximize the synergies of sharing resources. Have a look at the figure on your screen. Internal integration of functions can be better managed by applying the tools such as customer relationship management, CRM, content management systems, operational control systems, workflow systems, enterprise resource planning, ERP or financial management systems, and human resource management applications. In contrary to internal dimensions, external dimensions of e-business are more related to the external environment. They play a vital role in transformation of the value chain, connecting consumers with the service providers and strengthen the supply chain. These tools would also link suppliers with suppliers and establish a network of e-commerce, e-procurement, e-cooperation, e-marketing, e-network, and e-processing. E-commerce, electronic distribution channels are used to undertake sales initiatives and activities. E-procurement, various systems are integrated procurement or purchasing process such as inventory systems with billing and dispatch of its suppliers. E-cooperation, it is based on 3 levels of abstraction: cooperative framework, cooperative process and cooperative step. A cooperative process is a process meant to orchestrate the execution of a specific aspect of the cooperation between the number of business partners. E-communication, this dimension helps in giving an integrated opportunity for interacting with several business agents, both internal and external, to the organization. It enables the exchange of information, collaboration, and the possibility of establishing close relationships. The exchange of information can vary from more structured tools to, say, the feedback form, to more open and interactive forms such as the online chat feature and video communication. E-marketing, it makes use of internet platforms and other means of electronic communications to connect with the target markets. Partnering with organizations with common interests is also possible through joint working mechanisms. Advantages of e-business. Organizations can maximize the benefits of the external opportunities by upgrading or enhancing the internal e-business processes and systems. There is a close binding between external and internal dimensions of e-business, and they are interdependent on each other. A flexible integration of these dimensions is beneficial to overall e-business environment. Advantages of e-business is summarized on the graphic on your screen. Some of the advantages of such an e-business environment may be as listed below. Organizations can have a more flexible and efficient infrastructure, well-structured information management and enhanced business intelligence systems in place, and will lead to faster and better decision making. Production costs can be greatly reduced, higher efficiency in production by higher employee engagement, leaner value chain. Markets and customers help in quicker and easier buying for customers, enable the most cost-effective communication with specific target markets, better customer service which may lead to customer satisfaction and retention. Destination e-business. Tourist destinations can have huge benefit by adopting e-business systems and adapting to changing trends in the global business order. DMOs, with the help of ICTs, can design, develop and implement a wide range of business partnerships with service providers, intermediaries and tourists. Defining destination e-business. E-business is defined as the development and coordination of fundamental business processes through the use of information and communication technologies and the digital information, as also said by Govia in 2006. Going in line with the above definition of e-business, destination e-business may refer to application of e-business processes to tourist destinations by using information and communication technologies. Look at the graphic on your screen. A well-designed destination e-business system may result in great competitive advantage for any destination in the tourism markets. A typical e-business system for destination as represented in figure may have a variety of users who can access the system through a number of channels which suit them. Once having accessed the system, the users can now choose from a variety of services or applications that will take them onto specific database. As shown in the figure, different categories of these users can be consumers, conference buyers, travel trade, travel media, visitors, tourist information centers, facility operators, etc. These users get access to different gateways or channels. There could be a need for different gateways, different users. These interfaces can be PC, interactive TVs, handheld devices, kiosks, in-car systems, etc. The list of services or applications then for the users to select can be reservations, online services, MIS, print management, CMS, web publishing, CRM, etc. Destinations today are able to compile high-quality information databases by using intranets and internet for the benefit of users. ICTs and Destination Management Systems (DMS). Information and communication technologies have become an essential part of any destination management system. Destinations are today able to provide a variety of tools for destination marketing and promotions. Destination information is efficiently shared and reservation facilities quickened and eased by application of ICTs. A destination management system is a web-based integrated information, destination marketing and reservation systems. They may be referred elsewhere as destination databases or destination marketing systems. Destination marketing systems is the collection of computerized information interactively accessible about a destination. Look at the figure on your screen. DMS typically include information on attractions and facilities and often incorporate the ability to undertake some reservations. DMS are usually managed by destination management organizations, DMOs, which may be private or public organizations or a combination of both, as said by Buhalis in the year 2003. DMS is IT infrastructure used by destination organization for the collection, storage, manipulation and distribution of information in all its forms and for the transaction or reservations and other commercial activities, as said by Pollock in 2001. Destination management systems are typically designed to help and support DMOs, convention visitor bureaus and tourist offices, enhancing information dissemination, reservation potential and service integration. This leverages them to increase their operational abilities, brings in revenues and ultimately promotes a destination. A DMS handles information and reservations between consumers, service providers, intermediaries and tourist boards. DMS should be able to provide multi-product reservation capabilities such as events, activities, accommodation facilities, transfers, packages, excursions and other products. So in an extranet, these services can be updated at any time. The system should support the destination management organization and stakeholders to sell their products through call centers or information centers, online on the internet for travel agents or tour operators and other end users. A single DMS should be able to handle all these processes. Let us now look at some of the major services and features for DMS advanced systems as suggested by W2A 2001 in the box on the screen. Information search by category, geography, keyword, itinerary planning for customer, reservation facilities, customer contact database management, customer relationship management, market research and analysis, image library and PR material for press, publishing to electronic and traditional channels, event planning and management, marketing optimization and yield management, data editing and management, financial management, management information systems and performance evaluation, economic impact analysis, access to third-party sources such as weather, transport timetables and travel planning, theatre and event ticket reservations. As the use of technology is becoming more and more relevant, destinations are also trying to quickly adapt to the advanced trends. They are developing ICT-based DMS which can provide infrastructure and database for the collection, storage, transformation and distribution of information of all kinds and for transaction of several commercial activities such as reservations and bookings. Typical uses of DMS and are listed below. Supporting websites of destinations, supplying content for hard copy brochures and other collaterals, providing systems for use in tourist information centers to enable booking, reservation of accommodation, searching for and sharing of variety of information, inventory, sales of tickets, help in functioning of kiosk and other EPOS devices, support call customer care centers, support in online sale of tourism services and products and thus generate revenue for destinations, support in industry extranet, help in developing quality database for organizations such as regional or national tourism boards, develop database for CRM, marketing or ERP, e-marketing for destinations. Consumers' awareness about electronic way of search, compare, select and purchase has considerably increased. Quicker, easier and better modes buying experiences are in high demand with the enhanced digitization of market environment. Tourists are looking for digital platforms to search for information about destination facilities, attractions, transport and experiences. This has got its own advantages from saving time to cutting down on the cost and making better choices. In such a scenario, destination cannot be isolated. E-marketing for destinations is an imminent and unavoidable marketing shift. E-marketing or electronic marketing refers to the application of marketing techniques through electronic media and more specifically the internet. The phrases e-marketing, internet marketing and online marketing are often interchangeable. Destinations management organizations are incorporating a variety of electronic systems for a sustainable digital environment of travel experiences. As part of this restructuring, application e-marketing tools are in great demand since this approach offers destinations managers a realistic potential to reach out to the wider audiences unlike earlier search engine, email marketing, banner marketing, social media, mobile marketing, affiliate marketing, online articles, RSS feeds, blogging, etc. are some of the ways in which destinations are marketing and promoting themselves. There are plenty of benefits of electronic marketing of destinations such as wide range with around-the-clock availability of access, precise targeting, easier, quicker and very effective publishing tools, connecting on multi-utility, multifunctional digital modes like audio, video, support communication, immediate results, budget control, lesser cost solutions, innumerable channels and measurable. Nevertheless, e-marketing should work in tandem with offline marketing activities in order to divert the traffic both the ways. Let us now consider making best use of the websites. Website is a great source of information of the destination. In most cases, a prospective visitor may check into your website for a lot of information and more importantly to authenticate the information that they may find from all other resources. Hence, a destination website must work towards matching the belief of an authentic source of information. Website is simply a marketing channel as part of the greater marketing strategy of a destination. So, information and other real-time tools incorporated into the website must be designed in such a way that it should differentiate itself with others present online. As website plays a critical role in the overall marketing strategy of destination, we must make the best use of it. How do we make this happen? Below are some steps for effective use of website. 1. Content is at the core of it. Enormous content makes up a website and this content can be kept up to date. A mechanism should be in place to regularly update the content. It could be an outsourcing agency or someone within an organization. Regular follow-up must be made by the concerned. Content of a website may spread into product content, editorial content and third-party source content. 2. Incorporating different services. A destination may offer a wide range of services to the tourist service providers, intermediaries and other stakeholders that need to be incorporated. Such content of services may be of database-driven content, content-driven in form of DMS which automatically gets updated and as when there is a change mode of the database customer contact and feedback facility, online purchase booking engine with payment gateway facilities. 3. Getting visitors to the site. Besides following up with content and presenting services on the website, it is also important to get the visitors to your website. There are several electronic techniques to do this, such as to ensure your website is linked to from other sites. For example, tourist website of Mysore linked to regional, national and other websites like www.karnataka.tourism.org, incredibleindia.com, tourism.government.in. To have a name, URL, address of your website that is too easy to remember, recall. The website name should be catchy and simple. To optimize your performance on different search engines is vital. It is important to find yourself on top in the result list of popular search engines like Google. To promote website address aggressively, you know how important it is for the visitors to visit your website. So take the link address to wherever they are, user address in all communications and collaterals. To develop appealing marketing strategy to drive visitors to your website. For example, Incredible India became such a successful marketing strategy that pulled large number of visitors to a site www.incredibleindia.org because the entire campaign strategy ran with the same name. Let us now discuss the destination information systems management. Along the customer journey in tourism, right from idea generation to feedback level, after completing the journey, there is immense use of information. Information dissemination is one of the core functions of destination management organizations. Need for managing destination information. Destination to become highly competitive must be in a position to provide right kind of information to its stakeholders, most importantly to the prospective customers. Such a competitive market atmosphere necessitates the need for destination information management. In this regards, destination organization acts as an information broker. A variety of information is gathered and shared on tourism services, resources and products with customers and other information seekers. DMOs may also gather competitors' intelligence, market trends and market opportunities for the use of itself and suppliers of the destination. Integrated management of information. As stated above, information management IM is core to functioning of destination organization. It is vital to set up an integrated information management mechanism for the destination. Such an information management mechanism should enable destination organizations to gather, collect, organize, store, enrich, manipulate and disseminate information. Salient features of an integrated IM of a destination can be use of advanced information communication technologies, ICTs, and integrating them with DMS and other systems for seamless functioning to collect, store, and distribute data and destination knowledge. Then, this includes distribution of information through multiple channels, pooling of data made accessible to partners, and efficient organization of data and qualitative publication of content. Integration with CRM to capture customer data and make available for future use. Application of the latest processes to share data and knowledge with customers in a quicker, effective, appealing manner. Use of multiple channels is important in sharing high-quality information in every possible format. Market intelligence these days has become a strategic management approach to sustain in the competitive environment. Greater efficiency and maximum effectiveness can be achieved through market intelligence. Example of these could be market research analysis, market strategies for competitors, legal issues, legislations and industry regulations, etc. New age information access systems. Large-scale electronic distribution of information and knowledge about destination services is today possible with increased bandwidth. Wireless broadband and faster access of internet has been considerably upgraded from time to time. Advanced and new age information access systems and devices have made the entire visitor experience value added. The new age information access systems and devices which have made a greater difference to the traditional ways of communication are listed below. Mobile phone, smartphone technology. Smartphone, earlier referred to as mobile phone technology, has simply revolutionized entire global communication patterns. With a number of applications available on smartphones, literally anything and everything is possible to access. Internet access by Wi-Fi or 4G, 5G is around the corner on smartphones has become the fastest media access systems. E-commerce, due to huge mobile phone advantage for businesses, is now being referred as M-commerce. With the simple applications and easy to use benefits, smartphones are going to be the game changers for destinations, and to a large extent it has already begun. Digital TV, smart TV, television is only for entertainment today. It has become interactive. Digital functions of television enable customers to interact, browse, choose, purchase, Destination organizations are able to target visitors at destination with exclusive local TV channels to communicate directly. Public Wi-Fi networks. Many destinations around the world are installing a network of public Wi-Fi open access systems. Visitors can access anywhere for free. Countries like Estonia and Taiwan are completely Wi-Fi for free with the best speed levels, beating US and UK and many more. Destinations such as Seoul, Helsinki, Taipei and are also facilitating visitors with free Wi-Fi. Kiosks. Accessing up to data and precise information at destinations can be done by using kiosks placed at different locations in a destination. To make it more reliable, these must be linked to DMS and the data gets updated automatically. Kiosks can also work as POS to further the visitor experiences. In car navigation devices, most cars these days come with a navigation device. These are internet access global positioning devices help in drive through destinations with precise routes, locations and providing enormous destination information. These are also interactive and enable visitors to create their own itineraries and guide them to drive with no hindrance. VR technologies. Virtual reality technology is the latest cutting edge technology making rounds in the market today. VR devices give the virtual feel of the attractions, facilities and destinations. Though it is still at the early stage of evolution, VR is going to be the future. Destinations must equip the technology for a better connect with the customers. To summarize, e-business for destinations is the need of changing business environments. The fast-changing trends are induced by consumer awareness, technological innovations and emergence of competitive markets in tourism industry. With the evolution of technology are evolving destinations. Initially, though, destinations started adopting the basic e-business structure to adapt to the changes over the last few years. They have started to quickly adapt to the technological shifts. Since the electronic format has considerable advantage over traditional methods, it's inevitable to follow the track. Advanced developments in the field of information and communication technologies, ICTs, has led to building of result-oriented destination management systems, DMS. Destination management organizations, DMOs, can now integrate information management with that of DMS and thus be able to collect, organize, store, enrich, manipulate and distribute data information with the customers, partners and service providers. Innovative new age devices and technologies such as smartphone, digital TV, kiosk, in-car navigation device, Wi-Fi networks and VR technology have revolutionized the entire ecosystem of destination e-business. The key to success of destinations now lies in how best they make use of the available technology to differentiate themselves and connect with the customers. Thank you.